Hi, I am your Scrum Scenario Master with 4 steps to answering a scenario-based question with "it depends." This applies to all scenario-based questions regardless of the industry, but we'll use Scrum for example. You are asked a question such as, what will you do if the product owner of your team is assigning tasks and work for the developers? Step 1, you say it depends. Of course, it depends on what? Step 2, you ask for clarification. You want a lot more detail to the question. You may ask, how mature is the team? How long have they been working together? What is their understanding of Scrum? You get the right context around the mind of the interviewer. And then you answer the question with regards to the clarification you get. So step 3 is to answer the question being asked. The final step, step 4, is expand the context to present different scenarios or different conditions. For example, the question is, what will you do if your product owner is assigning stories to developers? And you say, please enlighten me some more. What type of team are we talking about? How mature are they? And how long have they been working together? And they tell you, well, this is a mature team. They are very familiar with Scrum, but the product owner is doing the job. Well, according to the Scrum guide, Scrum will tell you the product owner does not do that. The team determines what they'll work on and who will work on what. But the context is clear. It's a mature team. They've been working well together. Maybe they're high performing. So the Scrum guide application may not be relevant in this scenario. Sometimes the right answer is to do nothing. So you answer the question and say, well, I observe the team and they are self-organizing. The product owner may know that the team member has worked on a similar story in the past, so it's okay. Then you go further and say, if it were a new team, if they were new to Scrum and they didn't understand Scrum, then I will know that I may need to pull the product owner to the side, offer some one-on-one coaching. I may ask the team if they'll be open to some group coaching, some group teaching, whatever the case may be. Now, what have you done? You have proven your knowledge of theory and you have proven your familiarity with a real-life scenario, which means you've probably worked with a Scrum team before and you have exposed the range of your experience. And that is what interviewers are looking for. And that is how you can impress them with the "it depends" answer. 4 simple steps. Try it out and let me know. If you've done something similar, I'd like to know how it turned out, but it's always very positive.